In this video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize Keynote to make your own GIF image. So the first thing we're going to do is you would click on this little plus sign and we're going to add a drawing. And then you would just draw out your problem. So I'm just going to do something very basic. And the nice thing is typically when you would give this to your students, you would do it through a recorded video, but you can now do this through a GIF that would play over and over and over. And it's a nice way to kind of show them, some of the different steps that they would be going through. So we'll just do this as a sample, and that would give us x equals 3. So what we want to do is we want to turn what I just drew, into an animated GIF image rather than a part of a video recording. It just would play over and over, and it translates really nicely to Schoology. So what I'm going to do is in the upper right-hand corner where those 3 dots are, is I'm going to click on the one that says Animate. When I go to Animate, I'm going to click the first option that says Add Build In, and I'm going to select Line Draw. You'll see when I select that, that is an animation that will go through every stroke that I made with my pen. However, you'll notice it was kind of fast. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select Line Draw, and when I come back here, I can now click on where it says Line Draw Build In, and I can adjust the duration. So let's say I want it for, we'll say 15 seconds. If I hit play, I can preview what it's going to be, so that way it's a little bit slower. So you can see that it's going to go through that, and I can adjust it, whether it's too short or too long. I can adjust it however I want. So what I can do then is I can say I am done, and now all I need to do is go up to those 3 dots again. I'm going to export. I'm going to export the animated GIF or GIF image. And again here, if you have more than one slide, you would select it, but because my slides, I only have one, you can adjust if there's more than one slide, if it's going to auto advance. Mine is very basic, it's all on one slide. I would simply hit export. You'll see that it's creating it. When I'm done, it's going to ask me how I want to share it or how I want to save it. I'm going to hit share, and here I can save it directly to my iPad. I can scroll over and I can choose Drive. There's a bunch of different options. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to save the image to my iPad. So you can see when I go back now to my photos, I would be able to open it up in my camera roll, and here is the image that I can display easily on Schoology. I can embed it or display it in line in a page. I can attach it as an example. It's a great way to just display some of that rather than it being part of a huge video.